Hello, WebToon lovers! Are you tired of the grind to earn coins on WebToon? Imagine a world where you don't have to spend a dime to get those sweet, sweet WebToon coins. Yes, you heard it right. Free coins! We're talking about VIP codes for WebToon coins. In this tutorial, I'm going to let you in on a little secret on how you can earn thousands of WebToon coins without having to dig into your own pocket. Surprisingly enough, even some of the most popular WebToon content creators use this method that I'm about to share with you. And here's the kicker, it's practically free. But before we start, let's announce the winners of the last WebToon giveaway. As you know, every day I give away thousands of free WebToon coins to 3 lucky subscribers. You can be one of them. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like my posts, and comment on my videos. Simple, right? Now let me pull up the winners on the screen. Congratulations to the victors. Remember, I'll be selecting more winners in my next video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. We're talking about WebToon VIP codes. These codes can fetch you any amount, starting from 1,000 coins going all the way up to an insane 10,000 coins. What's even better, I will be explaining exactly how you can grab your own VIP codes. First off, head over to your game settings. That's where you're going to redeem your code. Now, to redeem a code, you need the VIP code. Usually, these VIP codes are not easy to find unless you're a mega creator, but don't worry, I got you covered. This takes us to step 2. Enter the VIP code in your WebToon game settings. Sounds easy, right? Luckily for you guys, we have a bunch of these VIP codes, and WebToon Club is generously sharing them for free. For more details on how to snag your Stick War Legacy VIP code effortlessly, check the comments section. Check the comments section below for detailed steps on how you can get your own VIP code. Now that you've entered the code, it will display on your screen. Make sure not to share the code. And why not? Because these codes can be redeemed only once per user. On to the final and most exciting step. Step 3. Congratulations! You've successfully grabbed your VIP code. Redeem it and get ready to watch your coin numbers soar, just like I showed you in the intro. Now, you indeed have an easy and free way to get your hands on loads of WebToon coins without forking out any money or wasting hours on it. If this method works for you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your free WebToon coins, folks! Closing out with a reminder, free coins aren't everything in life, but they sure make WebToon much more fun. Remember, wholesome storytelling is at the heart of it all, so keep reading, keep having fun, keep leveling up. Till the next video, stay gaming, stay free.